Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to send location on your WhatsApp application. To send the WhatsApp location, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your device and choose a user to whom you want to send location. Then on the left, you will see plus icon. Hit on that and select location from there. Now choose a location or search for the location by typing on the search icon and then hit on the share live location or share location option to share it with the user. So in this way you can easily send location on WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.